In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone green line problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is adjust display settings. For that, launch your control center, change the brightness level and see if it works. Next thing you want to do is first restart iPhone. For that, what you will need to do is press and hold the volume up button, press and hold the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once you first restart your device, your problem might be fixed. Next up, reset iPhone settings. For that, go to General, scroll down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and select Reset All Settings and go through the process. Next up, what you want to do is update your software. For that, go to Settings, go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Likewise, erase all the content and settings. For that, go to General, scroll down and navigate to the option Erase All Content and Settings and go through the process. Likewise, you can use recovery mode to restore. For that, what you will need to do is connect your device to computer through a USB cable. You need to put your device in recovery mode. For that, press the specific buttons as discussed in the first restart method. When you see the Apple logo, open iTunes or Finder, look for your device. You will see a pop-up on the screen, click Restore. After the process, you can set up your device. And lastly, you can contact Apple support if none of the above steps work. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can fix iPhone green line problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.